Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you how to oil and clean your 5-in-1 blades because someone asked me, what about the 5-in-1? So here we go. First thing I do is you can see there's fur and stuff inside there. So first thing, just take your high velocity dryer, whatever, blow it out. Okay, so that got a lot of the fur out. Next, make sure you put it all the way up on the lowest setting, like the whatever that is, a 40. And if you pull the yoke thing here, the blade holder, if it would focus in, if you pull it back, you can see the blade is kind of separating up here. Take a business card and just run it right through. Close it, run it through. Try and get all the extra fur out. Bam. So that part's done. And then put it all the way back down to the 10 setting. Take your oil with your needle nose dropper and just run it across. As I tend to over oil sometimes, and then you can just move it up. And now it's pretty much oiled. It's kind of hard you can move it up, and if you look down in here, you can kind of see where the back rails are. You could even put a little dab of oil, just a dot on each side of that too. So one on this side, one on that side, inside here, and move it up and down. And now it's all oiled. And then you take your super grease or whatever. I use the Oster gear lube. And you want to make sure the blade cutter is greased up. You don't need a whole lot, just a little dab. And now it looks brand new again. So I hope that helps some of you with the 5-in-1s. They go dull quicker than normal because this cutter is very thin, so any little piece of dirt that gets in there, it's just gonna dull it out really fast. And we're all using it for face, feet, and fanny. We know the feet and fanny part is some of the dirtiest part of the dog, so that's also why they go dull faster. But I hope that helps some of you. If you have any questions, let me know. Another thing is if any of these 3 tabs are broken off, it's not going to sit on your clipper right. So that's it. And then you can just run it real quick. Nice and quiet. Like I said, I like to for whatever reason, run my thumb over it, move it up and down. And it's all good to go. All right, bye.